Here's a project from several weeks ago that I wanted to share. This is typical where the client purchased a home, the existing system was outdated and just didn't work. We removed two complete equipment racks, all of the legacy electronics that were housed in there, all the wiring was removed, and we started from scratch. We relabeled the wiring and ran a new HDMI cable to the TV. We're able to reduce the wiring and equipment clutter, totally removing one half of the rack system. This freed up a significant amount of rack space. The updated audio-video devices were installed, testing and programming was completed, and they now have a current system that is easy to use with a single remote control. The cabinet builder is going to come out and build storage into the freed up spaces. They now have a totally functioning, updated, complete system. If you need help clean up a wiring mess like this or just updating your existing system, contact Chip at Entertainment Pros, 727-804-3996.